Welcome to Absolute Punjab once again. Last lesson we talked about AUNKAR, which make the sound of U. This time we are going to make the sound of a double O, some sort of, which will make the sound of deep U. So we are going to look at a few words. Someone actually asked me to make the lessons lengthy, but when I will talk to learn Punjabi, I can make it lengthy lessons. But when we talk or try to learn how to write, it is very hard to understand sometimes, and people are bored or they're confused after a few minutes maybe, because it is not that easy to learn a foreign language that easy. So I try to keep the lessons a little bit short. So now we will talk about U sound, and which is called DULAINKAR. We pronounce it DULAINKAR. Some people call it DULAINKAR, but the right word is DULAINKAR. So stay with me, and we're going to start now to write down a few words to make this sound more clear how we use this sign. One AUNKAR is one line, and DULAINKAR two lines which always go under the letter, not on the side. Same thing like AUNKAR under the letter, and this will give you the sound of deep U, double O, something like loot or fool, pool, something like deep U sound. We can use so many words, but in English, I don't want to tell you so many words in English, because we have to learn Punjabi. So we can start from simple words and try to explain how we can use and where we can use and how to write down DULAINKAR. So the first word I can write, say, camel. Camel is called oot in Punjabi language. So we will write down like this: Uda, Tata. So if we write down one, it will be some sort of like ot, but we want to write down oot. So we have to put two lines, oot. I probably should tell you the AUNKAR is one line underneath, under the letter, and DULAINKAR is two lines under the letter. So now these are, I will use very simple letters or words to explain. If you remember, this is Sasa or S. This is Tanka for T. So now this is like Sut, some sort of a sound, but doesn't mean anything. But if we put two lines, it become like these two lines called DULAINKAR as make the sound of U. So I want you to imagine, if it's Sasa and Tanka, it is Sut. So when we put this, what sound it will be? Suit. And if we want to write down, suit is also called in English, so I did not write down in English. But if we write down in English, is salt. In Punjabi language, is called loon. As I said, there are some sounds in Punjabi language which do not exist in English. This is loon is one word which is the sound is not in English, because in English we have word N like na, but we have nana. I told you nana, which make the sound like na, probably hard to pronounce, but that is loon. So we write down like this: lalla, nana. So to make it loon, we have to put two lines. It becomes loon. And if we write down, say for example, muli, as muli, we write down mama, and lalla. And you remember the sound of Bihari, which is E. So we put here Bihari, and if we put here DULAINKAR, it become Muli. And if we can use a few more words to make the sound, just to give you some idea. Picture. Sometimes we use the word picture in Punjabi and Hindi too, but this is you know that this is English word picture. In Punjabi language we call it murat. So mama for M, rara for R, and this is we call tatta, like ta, not t, ta, but ta, murat. And to write down murat, DULAINKAR. And there is a similar word. Sometimes we use it murak, like fool or idiot. So we have to change only this. Kaka. So this become murak. So any sound where we want to make the sound oo, we just put DULAINKAR two lines underneath. If we want to write down melon, in Punjabi we call it tarbooj. So ta, we told you tatta, rara for R, and baba for B. And probably you remember that we discussed 5 letters in beginning when we started to learn how to write down 35 alphabets. That Jija is for J, and Yaya sometimes we use for Z, but there's not a proper word for a Z. But to make it from J to Z, something like this is called tarbooj, like tarbooj. So we put dot here, which is not really important that much. This is the right Punjabi, but even if you don't write down this, people will still understand. But to make it tarbooj, like taraboo, baba, b, you have to put 2 lines. This become tarbooj in Punjabi language. So we can use one of another word is we can use sun. You know the sun, sun in the sky. In Punjabi language we call it suraj. So for S, sasa, again rara for R, Jija for J. But if you put 2 lines, it's become suraj. If we can use so many words like this, but we don't have to use so many words like just to discuss one sound. Uh, I can probably join two, three sounds and the different signs to make it vowel sound, which is in English is a U or double O or O like a I E. But I think if I make it really long lessons, it would be probably hard for you to understand. So when you want to learn how to write, I want you to learn one sign at one time, which will be easy to remember. But okay, I take the suggestion that lessons could be slightly longer. But when we try to learn how to speak different phrases or different words and meaning at the different situations, I will try to make it slightly longer. And I hope you learn this sound and enjoy this lesson. And I will upload the other lesson very shortly. And I promise, really promise this time that I will try my best to upload the lessons as soon as possible in the near future. Not as soon as possible. I will try to keep these coming in short time rather than to take a break for a long, long time. And I hope you enjoy this lesson. And just bye for today.